If your SD card reader is giving you trouble in Windows 11, the first crucial step is to update its drivers. These drivers might not always be immediately visible in Device Manager, so let us navigate through the process. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button and selecting Settings from the menu. Once in Settings, go to the Windows Update page. Here, you will need to click on Advanced Options, and then select Optional Updates. Make sure to install all available optional updates. After that, return to the main Windows Update page, and click on Check for Updates. Another effective method to resolve issues is by performing a System File Checker scan. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Be sure to click on Run as Administrator to open it with the necessary permissions. Inside the Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow, and then press Enter. This command will initiate the System File Checker scan to find and repair any corrupted system files that may be affecting your SD card reader. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.